Hey there everyone, welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be taking apart this Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 Lite, I think. I haven't seen what model it actually is in quite a while. I don't know if I remember it correctly. It's very cracked, as you can see on the screen. That is from where I tried to take it apart one other time and it didn't work. And then it's also slightly lifted up around some of the edges from when I did successfully take it apart off camera. It's quite difficult to do because the edges are so kind of like sealed. That's a bit fluff that got caught in it from some other time, and I can't get it out. Yeah. Anyway, let's get on to it. Alright, so we'll start by prying up the edges around the screen, obviously. This one's already loosened from the last time I did it. Let's see if I can remember how to do it. Well, for the sides that aren't, you just have to push in with the tool quite hard and try and wedge it up. But don't break the glass, which is something I failed several times. It might damage it several times, but as long as you don't care, it's a lot easier to do, because I'm guessing you probably won't be taking it apart if it's in working condition. I'm only taking it apart in working condition because I don't care about it, and it's barely working anyway. And there I cracked it. If you guys saw that, right there, I accidentally cracked it again. So, yeah, it might not go too well. Oh yeah, the screen's really coming up. Yeah. If you guys can see that, the opening right under the screen. Try and get the screen off later. I think I got it. I heard a click. Oh, another part of the screen broke off. Should be able to, yep, bring it out. There we go, this very cracked up piece of tech. Yeah, see the glass is like coming off quite a bit. I'll leave that for now. In the bottom here we've got speaker, I'd say, maybe microphone, and nothing else. That can go over there. Alright, so here we've got the SD card tray, I think. That's probably for the CPU or maybe storage. I'll lift up this bit, which goes to the bottom with the button bits, because that doesn't need to be there. I should be able to take out the buttons as well. I don't know what I took out. I took out the back arrow. Alright. Oh, and it's connected to all the others anyway. Alright, that can stay like that for now. I don't care about that. All hands only. We'll probably disconnect the battery first, and whatever this is, possibly the screen, and this one, maybe another screen bit, just so the motherboard's free. And well, I really don't want to puncture it again. I don't know how to get it up. I'll leave that for now. For now I can take out this top bit. Maybe this is holding the motherboard down? Not too sure. I can lift this up, looks. Yeah, it just comes out. That up there. Yeah, that's the charger. And if this bit can come off. Yep, that's probably something to protect the charger. Alright, now I can take out the main motherboard. Oh no, actually first I'm going to take out the SD card protector. Or not. I guess I can't. Yeah, now we're going to try and take out the motherboard. Alright, now those very few screws are out. I think that's all of them. Yep, lift up. It should just be able to come out. It's stuck to something there. Here we got the camera. Kind of pointless for this. Like nothing else on it. Yeah, quite a boring one, this one. I think I chipped my screwdriver. You guys can see that, it's bent. Or maybe I can get this SD card bit up. Alright, we'll try it there. I can put the motherboard over here, out of the way. Now we've got the screen and the battery left. I don't know what I'm going to do about the battery. Battery's always the annoying bit that gets in the way, 'cause I don't want to. I will blow up another thing. Oh, this is how you do it, I guess. Oh, I don't like how it's bending. And this black bit's coming up. I just don't know whether to go further on it. Can't tell, is it breaking? Or is it meant to do this? Oh, I got the battery up. Here's the little home button. Yeah, here's the battery. And I can actually take it off, hopefully. Yep, alright, got the battery off. Probably don't attempt that. It moves quite a bit. I'm a bit scared about that. Yeah, so we've got the home button bit there. This will be the... no, it won't be. I don't know where the rest of everything goes. Oh, is this the aux? No, maybe that's the microphone actually. Get all this off. I don't know what that's there for. I can put that over there. I don't really need that. Oh! Yes, the glass is coming off. The home button fell into the glass. Oh, I snapped it again. This is how you can tell that I'm very good at taking apart electronics. I can just hear it snapping. Ugh, fossil on me. Yeah, it is very shattered now. Do not attempt this. Yeah, now I'm just breaking it. Bits of glass are going everywhere. I don't understand why that's still stuck. Bluff is still stuck there. This is a stupid idea. I don't know, should I continue? I feel like I'm not actually gonna find anything. I've broken this up for no reason. I don't know what this bit is under here. Yeah, I might just end it here. How many bits of glass there are everywhere? Yeah, I think I'm just gonna end it here. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Remember, like and subscribe and comment if you'd like to see something specific taken apart, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, my friends.